ABC Trainerize is the #1 training and daily engagement app, white labeled to your business as if it's your own. It's the answer to the problem coaches and fitness studios have faced worldwide for ages. How do you get clients better results when they only see you 2 to 4 times a week for an hour at a time? You see, now you can coach clients on their strength, nutrition, lifestyle, and recovery 24/7, all through your own custom branded app. For your clients, it's a simple to-do list, daily health tracker, messaging app, so that they know what to do, when to do it, and you can give them real-time coaching, meaning better results, more loyal customers, and more money for your business. You see, we find the most success with businesses who identify as personal trainers, PT profit centers, health and lifestyle coaches, corporate wellness, nutrition coaches, and really any group fitness studio looking to go hybrid by offering online options. To help fitness studios grow, we also offer solid integrations with member management softwares like GlowFox and MindBody, as well as CRM tools like Trello or ActiveCampaign. Plus, with Zapier, you can unlock the ability to integrate with even more tools, which you can reference under the add-on section. How does ABC Trainerize differentiate from competitors? ABC Trainerize is a simple to use for your trainers as it is easy for your members. Once you get your trainers and members uploaded into the app, it's really hard to go back. The reason for that is ABC Trainerize is a holistic coaching app that focuses on fitness, nutrition, and habits. It puts engagement first through our group chat, personal messaging, and video coaching capabilities. In other words, it fills the gap between the in-person coaching that you do and the other 99% of a client's week, giving them better results and ultimately a better experience. What's more is that we integrate with the best in the business, including the wearables that your members love to use, making it even easier for you to stay updated on things like their activity levels, their health metrics, and more. And what's even better is that we're only going to continue to improve. You see, our team is releasing new features all the time, giving you even more ways to deliver the best member experience and more ways to scale and grow your business. Multiple coaches are going to be working with one client. Is it possible to have them all communicate in one place and for coaches to track their data together? So yes, the studio plan makes it very easy to put all your communication in one place for both your members and your coaches. Using different team permissions, you can allow coaches to see other coaches' clients, making coverage easy if a coach is away for whatever reason. They're traveling, they're sick, you name it. To do this, you can set your team to shared trainer, and this will allow trainers to jump in and out of clients' profiles to see their injury history, other notes that the coach has left for them, their workout progress, and of course, their program. Or another easy option is to create a group chat between the different trainers and a single client. Here's how you're gonna do it. First, as a manager and owner, you're gonna start by making groups. Then assign the coaches and clients that you want to include. You'll have eyes on their communication, and coaches will be able to collaborate with other members of the team. From there, members will only see the groups that they've been assigned to, whereas you will have eyes on all the groups going on within your community, making it easier to manage your business, your coaches, and of course, your clients. What's the difference between the Pro and the Studio plan? And can I start on Pro and upgrade anytime? The ABC Trainerize Pro plan and Studio plan differ in quite a few ways, so let's dive in. With the Pro plan, the app is going to be the most noticeable difference. The Pro branded version has limited branding capabilities and does not have an independent listing in the Apple or the Google Play Store. Number 2, add-ons. On your Pro plans, you can purchase all of our powerful add-ons for an additional fee. These would include things like the sample meal plan builder, the ability to set up an e-commerce store through Stripe, and video coaching options like live video calls in-app and longer video workouts that can be on demand up to an hour in length. Number 3 is the integrations. On our Pro plans, you'll be able to use third-party integrations through Zapier. If you check out the add-ons tab on the web version of ABC Trainerize in your account, you'll see what you can link and how. And number 4, it's a self-serve option, meaning you're gonna set up the app solo by taking advantage of our instruction resources, help articles, and customer support channels to get your app up and running on your own. Finally, our Pro plan is perfect for coaches who are just starting out or are beginning to scale their online business. You can upgrade at any time and pay only for the client count that you need. With Studio, the biggest differences are as follows. Number one, the branded app, of course. The Studio branded app gives you the capability to customize more, including the icon that people will see in the App Store, the color of the app once you're inside, your logo on the home screen, and you can include links to PDFs, websites, and resources right on the home page of the app. Plus, you get your own listing in the Apple and the Google Play Store. Number two is add-ons. You get all of our powerful add-ons included in your monthly or annual subscription. These include the meal planner, Stripe access, and video coaching that we mentioned before. That's a total value of just under $70 a month, so if you were paying for all three on a Pro plan, it makes this Studio a much cheaper option for many users. Number three is better integrations. You'll receive exclusive access to our most powerful integrations. For example, connecting to top softwares like MindBody or GlowFox, or if you need to access our open API, you can import or export data to third-party apps. That's exclusive to the Studio plan. Number four, a white glove onboarding experience. All Studio plan holders receive a tailored onboarding experience to get started. You're going to receive 4 onboarding calls with your own dedicated specialists that run from 30 to 50 minutes each. With their help, you're going to shorten the setup cycle by about 2 to 3 months and start earning more within just a few short weeks. Our team has worked with hundreds of other businesses like yours and understands how to help you roll it out to your team and your clients, making sure that the investment is well used. And finally, number 5, scale. The Studio plan is great for brick and mortar businesses and medium to large online businesses, starting with a 500 client cap on our entry-level plan, which is our Studio Plus plan, and it caps out at 5,000 clients on the top tier of Studio, which is Studio Max. Please note that this only refers to active clients that you have using the app, but you can archive as many as you want or downgrade them to basic, keep them in the app, but not have any access within it. What's the difference between Studio and Enterprise? So Enterprise is the top tier plan on ABC Trainerize. Businesses that tend to use our Enterprise accounts are franchises, celebrities, large health and fitness clubs like Lifetime or Anytime Fitness, for example. The key characteristics that separate Enterprise from Studio are as follows. Number 1, you must have a minimum of 5 locations in order to qualify, which makes it best for brick and mortar franchises. Now that being said, we do have plenty of online only businesses that don't have any locations. So for those instances, we typically base our pricing on total client count. There is no cap on clients in an enterprise plan, where Studio caps at 5,000. Number 2, your clients receive direct customer support from ABC Trainerize employees, and you receive a dedicated account manager to help you roll out the app, maintain it, and answer any questions you have the entirety of your subscription. Number 3, Enterprise includes an elevated branding experience full of custom icons, in-app, custom widgets for your client's phone, and an improved e-commerce experience. Number 4, Enterprise is also the only plan that includes custom data tracking for everything that occurs in the app. You can export it, create a report, and visualize it for you and your team. Number 5, single sign-on is exclusive to Enterprise. And number 6, finally, Enterprise pricing is customized to the client's needs and scale, whereas our Studio plans has set pricing based on client count. So if you're a new business or a business looking to scale, you can start on Studio and upgrade to Enterprise at any time.
Unlock everything that Trainerize has to offer by taking advantage of our free trial. You can find that right on our website or at the link in the description.